Hey guys, today we're going to be installing some parts on the Civic, so let's go. So this is how I installed the lights on the interior. You just plug it in the AC outlet, and I have it taped on the side of my box right here with your controls. It also is controlled by the phone as well. And I have the wires all tried to tuck away on the side, and they go to that seat and my passenger seat, the drivers and passengers. They go, I stuck one on the back on the plastic so I can peel it off. It's just double-sided tape. And then I ran it under the seat to the front right here, so it goes down into the floorboard and also into the back floorboard. And then it does the exact same thing on the other side. So, and I'll show you what it looks like at nighttime because you can actually see it at night. So, now that I've shown you the lights, we're gonna install the badges now. So these are the parts that I got. I got the badges off eBay, and there I got the front badge, the rear badge, and I also got the steering wheel badge. So let's go install them. Alright, so we're going to start with the back one. Got some dental floss and we're going to try and get it off.
Stupid, I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Oh, dab on them.
Bad luck. It looks easy. So the badge is off and it's looking grimy. It's gross. So we're gonna clean it up and then we're gonna put the other one on. So what I'm gonna be cleaning it with is rubbing alcohol and just a dirty rag. So I'm gonna put on the rag. Try and get all that grime off. Or the leftover residue. It doesn't really matter too much about how much leftover residue there is, just as long as it's kind of cleaned off and has something to stick to. So now we're gonna take this off. It's super sticky. And we're gonna line it up straight. Push on there. Make sure you add some pressure onto it. That way it can adhere. And once you stick it on, there's no going back. So make sure it's straight. I'm gonna put some pressure on it. I guess there is a little bit of dirt, so make sure you clean that up. I'm gonna have to go back, clean that all up. So now that that one's installed in the back, we're gonna install the front one. And mine's already came off before I bought it. It came off and they glued it on. So all this should not be there when y'all, all this glue, I'm gonna try and get some of it off. It shouldn't be there when y'all put y'all's on. So I'm just gonna scrape this off and then I'll show you putting it on. So I cleaned it all up and I sanded it down. So now I'm just wiping it off with the alcohol again. Make sure to get as much of the stuff off as I can. And get inside here, because this will all be covered up, unlike the old badge. So here's the beautiful badge. Kind of got a little dirty on the ground. Here's the beautiful badge. And then I'm just gonna peel it off. And y'all should not have to worry about any of that glue stuff. Then apply pressure. I like to work on the inside and kind of push it out, try and get all those air bubbles out if there is any. Alright, now that we got the front and the back, it's time to move on to the steering wheel. Alright, I disconnected the battery to make it a little better. Well, hopefully a little easier. This one is definitely a pain over the other two. And here's the little badge just go in there. Alright. Make sure you press down and get it stuck on there. Okay, now I'm gonna let it dry. So now I'm gonna show you the badges. thanks for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If y'all did like it, hit that button down below and comment, subscribe for more, and definitely hit that notification bell to stay up to date with the videos. I think the badges look amazing, and so does the lights. It helps add to the car's looks, but we have a bunch of more parts coming in. Maybe a special car coming in as well, but definitely more parts for the Civic. So just stay tuned, and I'm gonna start putting out videos as fast as I can. So see y'all next time, and peace out.